Hello guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and like my videos. And I am providing post-market and pre-market levels of index. So please follow my channel to get updates regularly and trade safely. And importantly, I am just sharing this knowledge to improve your skills and knowledges for the beginners. If you are already experienced traders, please follow my channel and give me suggestions and feedbacks. That will be more useful for me. Okay. So coming to the topic, this is post market bank nifty. Hope you everyone watched today. If you are not watched yesterday video of my pre-market analysis of bank nifty, please watch that and come back to this video. Then only you can able to understand what I am going to say here. Okay. Yes, it was worked perfectly. Can you able to see the chart? This chart and this marking levels which I showed on your yesterday video. Okay, I have clearly explained like once retracement here, then go for long. If it is broken the previous day low, after this retracement, go for short. Correct? Please check my old video. Okay, so this is what happened today. Like totally bearish has taken over the market today, as we have predicted. See, market opened below the previous day low and taken retracement and started down. Okay, many people earned more money over the following the patterns, price actions, and strategies, and importantly emotions. Because many some green candles has been here, but whoever are confidence on our own strategy and practice, they will wait patiently to get more profits. So risk reward is the important thing. Okay, that I will cover on upcoming videos. Okay, so here I'm clearly saying here like whatever our levels which is showed yesterday, it has worked perfectly. Correct. See, after the retracement, perfectly market coming down. Okay, even like if you taken here, okay, you can book this profit at least here 41 264. Okay, at least 200 points. That's enough, right? If you taking more lots, you'll get more profits. But initially, play with one lot or two lot max. Okay. Once you confident on your strategies and emotions, then increase your lots. Okay. So see, after the support has been broken, it was uh, went to next levels. See, I will show you here after the support, and it came to 41 147, another 100 points. Finally broken with the big red candle, come to this level 4932. Okay, see this I have marked this important level market can reverse if taken support. This is I already marked. You can check my previous video. Okay, perfectly worked. Just check this. After broken, it's not going down. It was take retracement and go up. This is called price actions. Okay, whatever we predicted, it was working perfectly. Anyway, at any all day it won't work. Okay, but 50 to 60%, more than 60%, it will work if we have the perfect levels, perfect strategies, and following the price actions. Okay, so hence like today market went well as per our analysis. So whatever your suggestions, your feedbacks, please let me know. Okay, and please analyze on your own thinking, own decisions. Okay, improve your skills, then trade on your index or stocks, whatever it is. Okay, but the thing is, without knowing any things or taken someone calls, someone ideas, someone predictions, it will be result to huge risk. Okay, so whatever risk taken by others, it won't be like it will not responsible by them, correct? So your money only investing in the market. So please learn the skills, follow the discipline, improve your knowledges, then trade well. Okay, that will be more useful for you and your career. Okay, this is my just a kind advice for you guys. Okay, so post market report has been completed. Hope you are happy with this. Tomorrow for the Monday pre-market video will be uploaded soon. Thank you guys. See you on next video.